Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Monster Insights affiliate link click tracking in Google Analytics step by step clearly. To restore Monster Insights affiliate link click tracking in Google Analytics, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. In the left sidebar, locate and click on the Monster Insights tab. Once the Monster Insights menu expands, select Add-ons. Scroll through the available add-ons until you find the Event Tracking option. Click on the Install button next to the Event Tracking add-on. After installation, you'll see an option to activate the add-on. Click Activate to enable event tracking for your site. Next, go to the Monster Insights settings by selecting Settings from the Monster Insights menu. Within the settings, find the Tracking tab and click on it. In the Tracking settings, look for the Affiliate Links section. Ensure the box for Enable Affiliate Link Tracking is checked. If necessary, specify the affiliate link parameters that you want to track. Next, scroll down to find the Save Changes button and click it to apply your settings. Now, open a new tab and log in to your Google Analytics account. In Google Analytics, navigate to the Real-Time section in the left sidebar. Click on Events to monitor real-time events happening on your website. To confirm tracking, click on some affiliate links on your site. Return to your Google Analytics tab and check if those clicks are visible in the Real-Time Events report. If you see the clicks appearing, your Monster Insights affiliate link click tracking is successfully restored. Remember to test your tracking periodically to ensure it continues to function properly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.